How to fix low-level fatal error on Windows 10 or 11. Getting a low-level fatal error on Windows? Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, restart your PC. Temporary memory or driver issues can trigger this error. Next, update your graphics driver. Right-click Start, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. If the error started after a recent update, try rolling back the driver from the same menu. Now check your game or app files. If this happens in a game, open the launcher and verify or repair the game files. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all pending updates. Disable overlays like Discord, NVIDIA Overlay, or MSI Afterburner. These often cause low-level fatal error. Also, turn off overclocking. Reset GPU and CPU settings to default if you're using any overclock tools. Run the app or game as administrator. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If the error still shows, install the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. As a last step, lower in-game graphics settings or switch the game to windowed or borderless mode. And that's it. These fixes solve most low-level fatal error issues on Windows. Thanks for watching.